What it do, what it do, what it do? We back, we're live. It's YouTube live, baby. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button. You're here early. We'll go ahead and blow it up. Right? Blow it up. We got Zord. The Zord in the chat. He's here. He's ready to blow it up. He's ready to blow it up. All right, all right, all right. So I get we're switched over, right? Like we're switched over to the new contracts, I believe. Trading March contracts now, right? Is that? I mean, what we got? Trying to look at the NASDAQ. So December contracts right now. Yeah, March has more volume, so we switching over to the March contracts, 2025. Ooh, buddy, NQH5, if you're wondering about why it looks different. So, Patrick, you should scroll up in the top of the chat and give the first person who posted their PayPal money. Wow. Well, you know what I shouldn't do is listen to the chat. No offense, but that's what I should not be doing. Thanks for your advice, though. What's good? Good morning, everybody tuning in here. We're still a little, we're early. You get extra 5 minutes with me today, baby. That's right, 5 more minutes, and you get to hang out with me a little bit longer today. We had a lot of fun drama. I don't even want to call it drama, but we had some fun banter this morning. Obviously, it's December, and I don't know if you guys know, but you know, hey, Patrick Wieland taking everybody down. I posted up this today about ICT saying that my attorneys are going to draft up a suit against ICT for making an agreement to bet me $500,000 that he would win the Robbins Cup. Multiple times he agreed. If you Google, a social media post can form the basis of a legally binding agreement. Uh-oh. And here are some of the agreements. Patrick, lock it up. I will lift that 500K off of you. This one here. I bet you 100,000 you won't win the Robbins Cup. He said, I'll take your money. I don't want to do it, but I will. Here he said, Patrick, I want you to lock your 500,000 into an escrow account. Okay. Here he said, Patrick, email me your comment about my son. I will lift that 500,000 off you. Please lock it up. And then obviously the best is save the date event for me. December 31st, we'll seal the deal and I will be the world champion in trading. Do I need this title? No, but I will parade it around with everyone. No, of course not. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Whatever you say, ICT. Whatever you say, buddy. So always fun, you know, just always fun, baby. All right. So the NASDAQ right now, you can see here, kind of, we switched over to the March contract, so it's a little bit higher price than yesterday, obviously, but overnight, or I guess overnight kind of pulling back here. Some trouble up there at that 20,400 level. Who made money yesterday? Fucking insane move. It just went higher and higher all day yesterday. Congratulations if you got long. Did you lock up the funds? I mean, I showed proof of the funds. I posted a photo of my bank account with $500,000 into it. So, I mean, I don't really see the need to have to escrow the $500,000 just because ICT didn't want to actually do the bet later on because he knew that he lost the Robbins Cup. So, you know, hey, whatever. Today, Jimmy No Stops. We're going to the moon. Or maybe we're selling down. Nutty got stopped out going long yesterday. Well, that's why he's called Nutty Bar. That's why his name is literally Nutty Bar, because he's fucking Nutty Bar. Gotta love the guy. I got nothing against him. People always say, like, Patrick, all you do is talk shit about other influencers. I'm like, no. There are plenty of influencers out there that I don't talk shit about, because I have no problem with them. But then there's other influencers that they just constantly just spew shit from their mouth that I have to call them out. So there's a big difference, right? I don't just go after anybody. Pretty much most of the time it's because somebody that tried to challenge me. Like Rips, for example. Rips told everyone he was going to bury me and destroy me. And I felt like that was basically him declaring war, right? I don't know. Personally, if somebody tells me that they're going to destroy me and they're going to crush me and they're going to bury me, that, to me personally, that's like, damn, that guy is like, that's war, right? Like, that's like, now we're going to war. Get out the fucking nuclear bombs. Press the fucking buttons. It's gonna get wild, you know? Get the axes out. We're going to war, baby. That American flag behind me, these colors don't run. You know? These colors don't run. These colors don't run. This chart's gonna be like all fucked up today because of the... Fuck, yeah, it is. Why is my chart all fucked up? If I go to the... What? How do I fucking... What do I do about this? What the fuck? Why is my chart all fucked up? I did contract change, but now my chart's just all fucked. I rolled forward. I'm on the new contract, but it's just like it, the chart doesn't really like it. Let me try it if I go like this. Okay, that seems to help. If I take it off of the NQ exclamation mark and I just put it to NQH 2025, it seems to fix that, the issue there. Yeah, no, I had the, it says it's ready for the adjust on the bottom, so. I know about the bottom to sync it, but look, all right. So right now, if I could just go back to NQ exclamation mark, right? One exclamation. If I do that one, all right, and then at the bottom here, I press adjust, it doesn't adjust. If I turn off the adjustment, then it works, but then you got that big gap there. But if I go to turn it on, then it, what the fuck? What the fuck? I don't know. La 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 la. But if I just go here and I turn on the NQH, right? If I go and just click on the March contracts, then it works. So adjust for, I know I already did the contract changes. Ugh, I don't really want to have to restart the whole thing, but maybe I will. Maybe I will. How do you restart everything? What if my background just had a picture of like Michael Huddleston? Or what if my background was a photo of Rips? Would you guys be like, yo, what the fuck, Patrick? You know, like if I got rid of the trading view and just behind it was a photo of Rips just like butt ass naked, just behind for my background, you know, like you know, you'd never be, I thought about doing something like that, might be funny, but you know, hey. Oh, fuck. Now we really fucked up. Okay, now it's working. I had to restart it. I restarted it. No, wait. Hold on a second. No, it works. Just gotta restart it. When in doubt, restart it, you know? When in doubt, restart it out. All right, we got the all-time high yesterday, 22,449 area. For 22,449 was the high yesterday, end of day. Big move up, little pullback there. We closed at that 22,400 right now. The overnight market kind of a little pullback to push back up, hitting this trend line for now. So 22,400 key level, probably here today. We'll see how she goes. Hey Patrick, is today my lucky day? I don't know. Are you feeling lucky? Are you feeling lucky? We got to get these likes up, that's for sure. We're giving away thousands of dollars. Yesterday we gave away like $2,000, courses, all types of fun stuff. So make sure you blow up that like button. The more likes, the more excited I get to give away money, you know? It's just like whenever I see, I'm like, damn, look at all those likes. I just get real generous, you know? I just be like, oh man, you know, I get excited. So don't be afraid to blow up that like button, you know? Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up, Junior. Just gotta blow it up. How do you enroll in the giveaway? You're here. You've enrolled. Just post your PayPal account. The first person to post a PayPal account in the chat gets $100. Alex, look at that. Alex was ready. He had it fucking ready to go. You little sneaky guy. You little sneaky guy, Alex. Why are you so sneaky with that? I got you, dog. I got you. Alex is getting $100. Make you holla. That's how we do it around here. You don't even have to trade to make money with Patrick Wieland. You just got to hang out long enough and you might get lucky. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Look at Alex, little cutie pie. Hey, Alex, congratulations. Just out here buying dinner for people. Christmas presents for everybody. Congratulations. $100 me love you long time. Ooh, how much love do I get for 100? I don't know if it's the Christmas time spirit or what, but I'm in a good mood, man. Life is good. It's hard to complain. We just keep taking W's every day. W. Put my name on the fucking board. Unstoppable. Undisputed. Undisputed. We winning. All right. By the way, if you want to sign up for the giveaway for the course, there's a link in the chat. We'll pick 5 people from the giveaway to send the course to for free today. Hit the link there, sign up, and then we'll get you entered to do the first 5 course emails. Just put your email in there and we'll send you an email with the course link. Casey Sand just bought 10 Apex accounts with your code. Well, thank you, Casey. You are the MVP of the day. Casey, do you have PayPal? Casey Sand, do you have a PayPal account? No, not heck yeah, but I need... Casey Sand, 98. Casey Sand bought 10 accounts with Apex. How much does that cost? Right now, it's 80% off. Right, so it's 80% off. What accounts did you buy, Casey? The 50K accounts? We'll just call it 50K accounts. 300 bucks. All right, I got you. I'm gonna pay for your accounts right here, right now. Thanks for your support, for using the PW code. That's what we do, baby. $350 for Casey for being a true loyal fan. Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Yes, Merry Christmas. There you go. Apex accounts for Casey got 10. 10 accounts for Casey for free. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Hey, I know, guys. People in the chat, I get it. I know. People have bot accounts. I get it. I can't just give everybody free money. We gotta, you know, like, it's gotta, like, I gotta, like, space it out a little bit. I apologize, all right? I can't just give everybody fucking money. I'm not that rich. I'm not that rich. Come on. Where do we post wearing your shirt? Post it on Twitter. Tag me on Twitter wearing the ICT can't trade shirt, or what? I think that was a shirt, right? Which shirt was it? One of those shirts. The bounty is out. Buy a first person to buy an Only Prop Firm shirt. Put it on. Take a photo of yourself. Put it on Instagram, Twitter, wherever. I'll send you $500. No, the one with the face. Yeah. The mug shot. The mug shot. Yeah. PW giving out toxic tokens at Christmas. Just giving out free money, baby. Yo, Patrick, can you pay for my TPT? I'll give you a little piece of advice, people in the chat. If you're begging for money or if you're spamming the chat, that is going to basically disqualify you from getting a present. You know? So just putting that out there. Just, you know, it might be better to like not spam the chat because I won't give you anything. How do you join the giveaway list? Right here. Link in the chat. Onlypropfirms.com. Sign up now. Let's go over the game plan. What is the game plan today? The game plan for me is to make some money. If I make the NASDAQ do a bear flag, will you buy me a t-shirt? Wait, you make the NASDAQ do a bear flag? Chris, 88, used to be an ICT trader. Now you've bought my course. Damn, dog. You went from being a complete fucking retard to being a genius with the one click of a button. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? All it took was literally just $200 to go from being completely fucking retarded to only being partially retarded. I mean, I always tell my friends, like, you got to be somewhat, you know, autistic to want to be a day trader. You know, you gotta be like somewhat autistic to like want to actually day trade. I mean, I'll be honest, like I clearly am on the spectrum. You know, there's no doubt about that. Something going on. Something going. Look at his head alone. God. Are we going up today? Zord's been dabbling with the spectrum his whole life. I remember when Zord had $500,000 of a cryptocurrency coin, and he said he was gonna hold it until he had 1 million, and then it went to 0. Zord, I love you, brother. When's the next time? When do you jump out of a plane next, you crazy fucker? You crazy fucker. Did you stay up? Do you stay up all night, Zord, and then trade, or did you wake up at 3 in the morning to trade? Do you have a Discord channel? I do not have a Discord channel. I'm live every day here on YouTube. Like, what the fuck do I need a Discord channel for? I wouldn't charge you guys to be my friend, you know? Never go full retard. Well, everybody knows that, except for ICT traders, because they go full retard. I mean, it is undisputed. Right now, the NASDAQ. All right. Focus here, people. I mean, we're pulling back. Market was absolutely insanely bullish yesterday. It just went higher and higher all day, basically. So, will that trend continue? Will we consolidate here? We've got the FOMC stuff going on tomorrow. It's Christmas week. It's the Santa Claus rally. I don't know. I mean, hey, at the end of the day, we're going to find out. I would kind of like the idea maybe of like, we take out this low right here, maybe down into this 300, and then we start to kind of V back up. That might like kind of like one of these. I don't know if we go that deep, but maybe like, you know, I don't know, like where are we thinking? Like kind of like right here. If we like pull back into this, but we did kind of double bottom already. So we already took out this little low from the London market there at 8 a.m. So we took that out already. I mean, we're kind of like in this channel. We're kind of in the middle of that channel if you think, like, if you look at it. So which way do they want it to go? I mean, I feel like, you know, it's always like, who's going to get trapped? You know, the bears or the bulls here? That's what I would ask myself. Who's going to get trapped today? The bears or the bulls? The bears or the bulls? VWAP right there at the 370s. 22,370 VWAP. We're below the VWAP here. We're getting it ready. We're getting it turned up. Turn up for what? Turn up. All right. That's kind of my plan right now. Just kind of see how this channel plays out. You know, if we push up to this area, get stuck, and then we pull back, obviously look for that move down there to the bottom of that channel. If we break out to the upside, be looking for that push through the all-time high again. Could just be another day of just going straight up, more squeeze before the FOMC meeting there on Wednesday. What do you guys think? Where are we going to end up before Friday? Like, are we going fucking 23,000 before Friday? Or are we going 22,600 by Friday? Where are we going? You know, the $1 million question here. Also, I had a question for the chat. What do you guys think? Should I buy a $50,000 racing simulator to put in the new office and then have it set up so we can live stream it? And then like whenever like influencers or different people come to the office, we put them on the simulator, you know, the driving simulator, to see if they can, like, if they're can drive or not, you know, and make it a challenge, like have a leaderboard in the warehouse, like, hey, who's the fastest person on the simulator? You know, I think it'd be pretty sick. It'd be pretty sick. You know, have the Lambo in the background, have the simulator. It'll sick. Do you actually have time to play it? I was on the simulator this morning for like 30 minutes before the live stream. It's like just kind of nice to relax and hang out. To relax. It's also like you have to be very focused. So I like the simulator for the race car driving simulator because you have to be very focused and you kind of just like have to forget about everything else that's going on. So I like to get on the simulator before I trade in the morning because it kind of like gets me focused, to be honest, you know? Gets me focused. Why not get VR? It's not really. VR is not the same. I use Assetto Corsa. Assetto Corsa is what I use. No, I'm using Assetto Corsa, not iRacing. Trevor, the investor, been in real estate for about 10 years. Had a question about your building. Did you use a commercial broker? No. Actually, Victoria was the agent on that. Market just kind of holding right here below the VWAP for now. A little bit of a kind of little indigestion area. I like to see like a big move either up or down here at open, kind of clear out some orders, and then kind of look for a direction after that. JCC Future said his son's asking for an iPhone for Christmas. Yeah, well, my 12-year-old's asking for a $3,000 electric dirt bike, so I don't know how that goes. How'd the interviews go yesterday? It went good. I picked a candidate. I have a executive assistant now. I'm kind of I don't know. I've never had an executive assistant, someone to handle business for me, you know, whatever needs to get done, just get it done, you know. That's what I'm looking forward to. All right. We got 10 minutes here till market opens. 10 minutes. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. Good morning. We are here. We got lots of action. The bigger picture right now is pretty clear. That channel that we're in here. We're in that channel. 15-minute chart. We got this little bit of a double. We kind of like, not even a double bottom, but we kind of took out this low already there. We're right below the VWAP. We got a pivot point down here on the hourly chart at the 22,316. That previous area of resistance from Friday of last week is all the way down here at this level, 22,200. So just kind of have to see how she plays at open. Like I said, kind of looking for like either a big move in to the upside or the downside, like kind of just give us that big move and then kind of see if we reverse from that move, or do we start to consolidate for the next leg higher or the next leg, or like a leg lower. So right now, just kind of waiting to see. We're right in the middle of this downward channel right now. Could be a big old kind of bull flag setup to get back above the all-time high again today. On Wednesday, we got the FOMC meeting, and I think most of the market's basically just betting on the idea that the Fed is going to cut 25 basis points again. So Casper posted on his Twitter that he made $4,000 in one trade, and he used a strategy that beginners could understand. And I commented and said, how many lines of coke did you do before this? I'm a funny person. Also, the best is I got ICT fucking going today. He is going. Look at this email that he sent me. You're playing with someone with aces high. Send me your Mickey Mouse. No fear. He's not some huckster on the internet. Give me a... like, what? You are a massive huckster, ICT. I know you're watching the live stream right now and you're banned, so you can't even respond, you fucking loser. Oh, look at me. Oh, looking good, boys. The funny part is I have not lost any weight. I've been working out every day, and I still can't lose any weight. Honestly, though, I'm getting shredded in all the right places. But basically, I personally believe that ICT made a legally binding contract when he said that he was going to take my money. And, you know, this right here, like, I bet you $100,000 that you won't win the Robbins Cup. And he said, are you serious? 'Cause I'll take your money. I mean, I feel like that's pretty clear. I bet 100,000 you won't win Robbins Cup. And he said, are you serious? Because I will take your money. Like, that just seems like that's pretty cut and dry. You know? That just seems pretty cut and dry. Pay up, ICT. I really haven't been going too crazy on the diet either, because it is like the holiday season, and I'm like, I'm getting ready to go. I'm going to New York on Friday, and I want to eat whatever I want. So I'm kind of just like, I'm going to wait till January 1st to really get on the diet, you know, and really try to start losing some weight. Probably try to lose like 10 pounds would be like a good spot for me. Then I'll probably be shredded after that, you know. 10 pounds, I'll be fucking shredded all day. You know, that's all. That's all I need. 10 more pounds. Just 10 more pounds. You can already see I've got my obliques look at the obliques coming in over there. You know, just 10 more pounds. Daddy's going to be looking real good. Ooh! 10 more pounds, going to be looking shredded. Do a New York City meetup? I don't know. I'm kind of worried that if I did a meetup nowadays, I feel like someone might come and try to murder me. I feel like if I have a meetup in New York City, someone's gonna come and try to murder me. Kind of like the fucking United Health CEO, you know? Do you sell insurance? No. All right. We got to get more likes here on the stream. We got 500 likes. We can get 1,000 likes before the fucking market even opens. We got 5 minutes here till the market opens. Right now, the hourly chart. We're in this channel. The market's pulling back here. We got pivot points. We got all kinds of fun stuff here. That 21 EMA, the VWAP, clearly acting as resistance right now. We've got this pivot point down there, 22,306. Will we pull back? Kind of like drop into here and then rip it up? Maybe. Maybe one of these. We're going to find out. Did you switch to the new contract? Yes. We are on the March 2025 contract. March 2025 contract. What do you think for the opening? Just kind of watching it really. I try not to think, if that makes sense. I try to look at the two possible scenarios, right? Market either goes up or down. I think the one scenario here for the bulls is we kind of get down into this level, we bounce off that channel, and then we go for all-time high. The other scenario, we push up into here, fill the gap, and then come down. I mean, we're in the middle of this channel, right? So basically, middle of the channel here really could go either way. If you have a huge gap from yesterday's close and the open, you got to restart TradingView. Make sure you're on the right contract. Right now, 22,306. Pivot point here on the 15-minute chart. Yesterday's close, the market closed at the 22,400. And, well, as we pull into open here, NASDAQ dipping on down from the 360s, getting stuck there at the VWAP and trying to dip down here. All these candles, like, this looks like the perfect spot to trap people in terms of, like, dumping below there and then ripping it back up, taking out these stops here. There's going to be a lot of people that, if they try to buy this double bottom, right? If people are buying this double bottom, their stops are basically right there. So it's kind of like looking like possibly one of those. We're gonna see. Again, I don't need to predict what's going to happen. I just need to be aware that the market is moving and look for my setup. That's all. That's all, baby. It's all we got to do. Patience. Patience. NQH25. Yeah, that's the new ticker or the new contract or whatever you want to call it. Got 50 seconds here. 50 seconds. Fifteen seconds. There we go. Market is open. Pivot point right there, 22,300s. Kind of doing exactly what we just said it would do. Dipping down there below those candles. Taking out those stops. Taking out those stops down there. Pivot point down there at the 300s now. Down there to the pivot for now. The moment of truth. Will the pivot hold? Not looking too good right now. Watching this 300 level. See if there's any support down here. ES is trying to push back up. Good Lord, look at that. Ripper. It has ripped it right off that pivot point. Who would have thought? Right back up here. All right, all right. A little bit of a bear flag kind of forming here. They lose this. We're at the bottom of that channel right now. Still holding up the bottom of that channel. shrimp. It will continue to melt. All right. Put a trade on then. Why are you typing in the chat? Put a trade on instead of worrying about typing it in the chat. People keep thinking this is going to sell, but I'm just like kind of watching. We're still holding up at that key level. The ES is trying to push back up. Would you sell down here? I don't know. Would you? I don't know. Probably not the best place to sell, but so we'll see where this 2-minute candle closes. It's a trap. A back above that 300 level again. I mean, this, like, the thing is, like, this is exactly, if they were going to bounce it, this is where they would have to bounce it. So it's like, I don't want to get short at a level that I'm like, hey, if it was gonna bounce, this is where it would fucking bounce at, right off this trend line, this channel that we're in. So I like to not short at an area that I'm also like, if this reverses, this is the, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to get fucking short when I'm sitting here looking at it like, this could also be exactly where we bounce it. Patrick, what's your daily bias? I don't really have a daily bias. I'm just trading the chart. If this thing starts selling down, well then, obviously, it's gonna go lower, but nothing wrong with just being patient here. I don't know why people are so like, market's been open for 7 minutes, everybody, relax. Relax. Everybody's saying, but it's going down. I get it. That's totally fine. Let it go down. If it wants to go down, it'll go down. I'm not worried about it. Like, totally fine with me. There we go. Starting to break down here. I don't know why everybody's so fucking going crazy. Like, why is everybody so insane in the chat sometimes? Oh, Lord. The thing, too, is, like, even if this does sell down, that's fine. Like, it doesn't bother me. You know, who cares? Like, okay, it's going lower, but, like, I just don't want to get fucking short right here. You know, like, I've gotten short at these kind of levels before, and it just fucking squeezes me right out. So, I'd rather avoid taking a stupid trade just to prove that I'm smart, you know? Like, hey, guys, look at me. I got short. You know, I'd rather avoid that. I'm up $500,000 in these accounts. Like, what do I have to prove? You know, what do I got to prove? Nothing. What if you're short in real life? Well, you're fucked. I'm just happy, you know, I always like, I just say, whenever I pray to God, I'm like, dear baby Jesus, I just want to thank you so much for making me not only smart and not only beautiful, but also 6'1". Because Rips is only 6 foot. And no matter what Rips does his entire life, he could make more money than me. He could get in the best shape ever. He could have every car in the world. He'll never be as tall as me. And that right there, my friends, is winning. So every night when Rips goes to bed, he has to think about that. He goes, God damn it, fucking Patrick. Not only is he better looking, not only is he smarter, not only is he funnier, but he's also taller. And that right there, my friends, is a fact. That is not defamation. He is simply 6 foot. I am 6'1". I win. Hey, would you look at that? Look at the NASDAQ. What's happening right now? Why is it going back up? Why is it going back up? Why? This is why I did not want to get short down here. Why doesn't Rips trade during the market open? Because he's fucking hanging out in his little Discord, getting circle jerked. Everybody in there's like, Ripped, we love you. You're the best at poker. That is literally, that is the Discord that Rips runs. Just, kind of gay. Well, good thing I'm not gay. Or maybe I am. Maybe Victoria's, it's all just a, what do you call that when you have a girlfriend that's not really a girlfriend, it's just a fake girlfriend? Maybe I am gay. Maybe. You know what? Even if I was gay, it wouldn't matter because I'd still be the baddest motherfucker around. You know? I ain't worried. Call me gay. Don't bother me. Because I know deep down, I love women. Women, women, women. Yeah, Victoria's a man. How'd you know? God. How long have you and Victoria been together? A little over a year now, actually. 1 year. We just had our 1 year anniversary. I bought her an Escalade for her anniversary present. $150,000 Escalade. I hope she likes it. I told her don't scratch it or I'll kill her. I literally was like, listen, if you fuck up this Escalade, I'm gonna kill you. So don't fuck it up. And now she's like parks in the back of the parking lots. Don't fuck up my Escalade, woman. How many honeymoons? 3. We're actually going on another honeymoon on Friday to New York City. That's right, New York City. I'm coming up. I heard this is a good time to visit. It is. Christmas time, baby. The happiest time of the year in New York City. When are you gonna go to Canada? I don't know if I can even go to Canada. I got a record, bro. I got arrested for stealing my own truck. I still, like, going in front of the judge and literally saying, yes, I stole my own truck. Like, that alone was had to be one of the highlights of my life. Hey, everybody in the chat, I do want to point out something. Right now. Look what's happening. Is it a coincidence? What's happening, guys? Why is it going up? But everybody in the chat said it was gonna sell. But Patrick said, I don't want to get short. Well, but it's going up now. What happened? What happened? Where'd they all go? Where did everybody go? Why would anybody with a fucking brain get short down here? You know why? Look at the hourly chart. Look at the hourly chart, my friends. Wow. There's a ripper. She's going. She's going back up. Up, 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 up. $15-minute range breakout is coming up. This will be very, very crucial range breakout as well because we have this previous 15-minute candle. You got this high right here, so it is fucking prime time for a breakout, boys. Look at this thing. She's pushing. Oh, my Lord. Oh, man. Tory Trades. I spent $20,000 for private mentorship from Tory Trades, and she taught me how to put the trend lines on the chart. And now I'm an expert. Please buy my course for $200. We got a poll in the chat. Let me know what you guys, how did you guys do on that? Who got short down there at that pivot point? Anybody? Tory Trades is the mentor of the mentor's mentor's mentor. If you think about it, she is mentored the mentor of a mentor that's also a mentor. But her uncle is the ultimate mentor. So that right there, mind-blowing, by the way. Fucking mind-blowing. AJ made money on a short scalp. Well, congratulations to AJ. Fucking congratulations to AJ. Fucking congratulations. You did it. You fucking did it, AJ. You fucking did it and you fucking earned it. Hey, at the end of the day, you can make money going up, going down, do it any way you want. You know, it works. The market goes up, it goes down. Right now, we're sitting here at the VWAP. Little pullback here into that 340 area. Kind of looking for a possible long here off the VWAP. Let's see. Kind of watch where this candle closes at. Not a lot of reaction there. 2-minute chart. Back to the 21. We kind of need to hold this 340 area. There's that bounce. Back up there. I'm gonna try this long right here, buddy. Trying this long here. Look for a push through the highs next. Stop is right down here below that 21 EMA on the 1-minute chart. See if we can get some continuation through the 360s there next. Up. Why does this candle have to do that? Why not just go straight up? Why can't it just go straight up for me always, you know? Just go straight up forever. I might look to just take this off quicker than later, if that makes sense. I'm gonna put an order like right into here. Oh, getting filled. I like it. I like it a lot. That's all I needed, by the way. If you're just now tuning in, that's all we needed here. Nice and easy. You can see on the day right now, baby, that's the $343 locked in. And then we got $1,300 there in those accounts. So right now, somebody do the math. Who's going to be the first person to do the math? How much am I up across the board here on all of these 50K accounts? So they're up to 103,000. First person to do the exact math in the chat, I'll send and put your PayPal. I'll give you some money. Not on the day, but total. 500,000 what? Are you guys bad at math? $523,493. Is that the right one? I don't even know the math. All right, NASDAQ having a little bit of trouble there. That's kind of why I was like, if you can see, just kind of not loving. We're still there, tapping that little trend line for now, right there at the 15-minute breakout. It was either gonna push straight up through there, take out the 15-minute high, or do what it's doing now. So I'll lock in that profit there. How does everybody have different numbers? Everybody in the chat has a different number. How does everybody in the chat have a different number? I don't understand. How much is it? No, I don't want the value of the whole list. I want the profits. All right, I'll do my own math here. NASDAQ getting stuck there, building out a little flag for now on the 2-minute chart. We still got the 15-minute breakout. We have not broken the 15-minute range. If you're a breakout trader, I think there is a really good breakout coming here. Your 15-minute high is 360 area. Literally, you guys are like the worst at math. I'm confused. I don't even... I want this number right here. These 11 accounts. These 11 accounts. What is the total profit? Take a screenshot. Do the math. Who's right? Who's wrong? Like, everybody's putting a different number in the chat. How is everybody doing a different number? Oh, yeah, by the way, profit. These are $50,000 accounts. Now I got to do it myself. I'll do it myself, but let's focus on the trade here. I got to do the math now. Fuck me. Fuck me. God damn it. 103,686 plus 102,585. Plus 104,423. Watch out for this breakout right there at the VWAP right now. NASDAQ's loading up. It wants that gap fill back up there to the 22,400s. Let's see. Okay, 104,653. All right, 102,891. 104,863. 104,853. 102,781. 103,066. 102,796. 102,856. All right. Divide 1.139453 million by, well, no, don't divide. Subtract. Oh, fuck. Subtract. 550,000, right? 550. No, wait. Yeah, 550,000. 550,000. All right. We are up $589,453 and some change. Let's fucking go, boys. What am I going to do with all of that money? It's done. I have basically secured the payout. It's over. So I just needed 8 more trading days. Well, I needed by Friday. I got my 5 days of $50 profits. And now it's just 3 more days that I can basically just flip contracts and lock it in, motherfuckers. That's insane. That's a $500,000 payout for Christmas. What other YouTuber is doing this? What other YouTuber is doing this? Nobody. Show me one other YouTuber that's up $500,000 right now that can actually show proof of it as well. Not in their fucking demo account, but like in their real fucking funded account. You know, I'm not talking about like, hey, I made $1 million in one day trading my fucking dip. Yo. Show me. Show me. Show me the money. And as you can see here, 52 days. 52 days of trading this accounts with Apex. That's right. I have been trading these accounts now for 52 days. Today will be 53. And then we need 3 more days to get the $500,000 payout, which it's done. It's over. And then I got these accounts right now at 13 days. So I'll be able to request a payout for these accounts on Thursday. And then I'll be able to request the payout. The payout. Let's go. And the people in the chat that said I'm not going to get paid out, well, you have to ask yourself something. Who is the biggest? Who is the largest? Ask yourself that. Who's the biggest? Who's the largest? Vinny E Mini P&L is higher. Pfft. Vinny E Mini, get the fuck out of here. All right, look at the NASDAQ. Tried to break out here. Yeah, Kane got paid $1 million. And he has, like, no following, so. I mean, there's no reason for Apex not to pay me. You know, I've been trading the accounts, following the rules. So. I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, stop hating on Nutty Bar. No one's hating on Nutty Bar. Who's hating on Nutty Bar? What are you talking about? Who's hating on Nutty Bar? Nobody. What's this guy talking about? Nobody here is hating on Nutty Bar. We love Nutty Bar. I gave Nutty Bar $5,000 the other day. Come on. Like, you know, like I'm that great. Let's go give Nutty Bar some money. How much? I think I can do like, we'll do 250. 250 on the day.
Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, John. How's it going? That's a very fair question. Yeah, it's totally a fair question. I won't deny it.
Oh yeah, buddy. Look at that. Patrick Wieland giving back to the little streamers out there. Who else should we go? Who else is live right now that we can give some money to? Look at my little Lester. Look at him. No glasses today. What happened to? He's trying to be like me. This guy's trying to be like me again.
Let go, Patrick. Why the 250?
What?
What happened?
It's Christmas time, Nutty Bar.
Patrick Wheeler with the $250?
It's Christmas time coming through. Who else we got?
Hey, man. By the way, when is the competition up? Like the voting?
It's over.
When is the voting?
You won, Nutty. You won. You won.
I need to tune in.
All right, so right now the NASDAQ just stuck here holding on.
Or what did I do?
Who else is live?
I did.
Alpine Trader. Let's go to Alpine Trader. Is he live right now? Who else is live right now? He's not live. What other YouTubers are live right now? Trades by Matt. I don't know if I can leave a comment in Trades by Matt. I don't think I'm allowed to. Let's see. Trade by Matt has 1.3 people watching. Subscriber mode only. Oh, can I do it? Merry Christmas. NASDAQ pulling back here again to the pivot point. Can't do it. Let's just look up live. Who's live on YouTube right now? NASDAQ just chopping around back to the pivot point now. The great thing is, this is why I love momentum trading so much, right? Because we see this setup here, and there's no reason to really get long until we break out that 15-minute range. Especially now that that 15-minute range has been set. It's like, oh, don't fuck with it. You know, here we go. We're pulling back. All right. Will we take out the low now? 10 o'clock, the reversal. There's your low from the open. We are still inside the 15-minute range. Trading with Travis. Oh, yeah, I'll try that one. No one's live right now. Trading with Travis isn't live either. No one's live right now. There's nobody cool that's live. Who else is cool that's live other than Nutty Bar? I think I'm banned from Tanya's chat. Yeah. I definitely can't go to Tanya's chat. How about this little guy? Luna. What up? What up? Oh. Merry Christmas. I like how when I go to people's chat, people already know I'm coming. How do they know that? NASDAQ making new lows right now through the 70s.
We're getting the div right now.
Just over here, dropping 250 bucks on random YouTube screamers. I'm like Mr. Beast of the day trading space, baby. 250 bucks. Congratulations. Got this guy here, Luna Trades. He's trading. Okay. What's he got? Trade on Top Step X. What's he got? A trade going right now? No, nothing really going on. Okay. Got the book map on there. Got some charts. Got some stuff behind him.
Guys, we're getting a full div.
So.
It's scary the way it's coming down, but oh, and we have it on the 2-minute. I'm switching.
Doesn't even know I did it.
We have it on the 2-minute right now, guys. I'm gonna take it. Yep.
Uh-oh. Did he just get short or long?
The 10 minutes, the 30 minutes breaking down. I'm seeing enough things aligned, but once again, I have to get that proper risk reward setup. So clearly, this trend is just lower highs, lower lows. Failed to break out attempt here at 956. We're seeing a bit of a bounce.
Oh, by the way, we'll pick the winners. We're going to pick the winners here for the giveaways for the course. We're going to do 10 course giveaways today. 10 course giveaways. Fuck. YouTube is blocking me from sending more money. That's fucked up. Daily spend limit is 500 bucks. They won't even let me spend more money. All right, this definitely looks like it wants to go lower now.
Let's go. Merry Christmas. Shout out Patrick. How are you doing, PW? I have to admit, man, I'm chasing this a little bit now. Your engagement with ICT, it makes me laugh every single time. That guy, I just don't understand.
All right. How do you join the giveaway? Well, if you're new to the stream, very simple actually. We'll pick 10 winners for the course in the next 5 minutes. There's a link there in the chat if you haven't already signed up. And we'll pick your email there from the chat. So NASDAQ still, well, making new lows right now. Reversing off of the VWAP. Pulling back. Breaking the 15-minute opening range. Where can we go from here? If we look at the chart, we kind of talked about this area earlier. This 22,200 area down there. So we'll see. We'll pick the winners for the course. And we'll give away some more cash here in the next couple of minutes. We'll do I got two. I'm going to give away $2,000 in cash today. So don't leave. Stay right here. Hang out with me. And it's kind of like I'm bribing you, basically. You know, who else is going to give away? Yesterday, I gave $1,000 to Michael. Michael, a veteran, won a giveaway, and I gave him $1,000 cash. He had already bought the course as well, so congrats to Michael getting $1,000 there. You gotta love that. All right, I'm going to post something on Twitter here. I'm going to post on Twitter, all right? And everybody's got to go. If you want to win money, you got to go on this Twitter post. You got to leave a comment, and you got to tag at ICT and say, suck it. Come on, it'll be good fun, everybody. Get on over there to Twitter and leave a comment. We'll pick. I'll pick 5 winners to give away $100 to each person from this Twitter post. Just make you have to go at ICT suck it. You know, just everybody just suck it. You know. I'm sorry, I have to get some type of enjoyment out of this money, you know. I have to do there's so much money, I have to do something with it. When you get rich, you know, the entertainment changes. It used to be people, you know, when I was poor, I'd go to the movie theater. But now that I'm rich, I just go on Twitter and then I get people to tag people that I don't like, and then it's a lot more entertainment. It's a lot more fun. Entertainment right there. Oh, man. All right. I need my marketing assistant here to pick 10 winners for the course. All right. We got the winners. Who's ready? We're going to send you an email. I'll read off the names right here for the winners of the course. All right. Get ready. Here we go. The winner. First winner, Kevin Diaz. Second winner, Ricardo Ale. Ricardo Ale. We got Akram Rob Gigi. Sarah Penbor. Andy Tang. Derek Sanders. John Lepp. Jacob Sanchez. Ed Lim. And Lucas Nickel. Let's go. That's 10 people, baby. Winner, chicken dinner today. And guess what? Today is it's only Tuesday. Hold on a second. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Also, on Thursday, I've got this brand new 17-inch laptop that I bought right here. I've got a desktop computer. We got monitors. On Thursday, we're giving away this laptop to one of our lucky subscribers. So make sure you're here all week. It's only going to get better. It's Christmas time. And you know on Friday, we're going to go all out. It's going to get wild. Ricky, if you won the course, you're going to get an email from onlyprofirms.com with your access to the course. So you're all good. Don't worry. If you did not win the course, don't worry, because the best part is it's only $199. $199. That's right. That's right. Only $199. Check it out there in the chat. All right, so the NASDAQ just kind of ranging here. Off that 15-minute range, right back up. I don't know why, but it's hard to be bearish. I don't know if it's because it's the holidays, you know, Christmas time, and I'm just in a good spirit or what, but clearly this market does not want to go lower. So I have not taken any shorts today, only longs. And yeah. Also, everybody in the chat, please, like, don't email me. Don't fucking message me and give me some sad story about how you need money. I cannot give everybody that sends me a sad story money. You know, I feel bad. I want to help. I'm trying to help. I do the live streams for free. I don't charge anybody to watch me trade. I don't charge anybody to sit here. So, you know, like, I can't help I cannot just send everybody on the internet $1,000. So please, like, it's not that I don't want to help. It's just I can't just give everybody $1,000. You know, just putting that out there. I try to help how I can, make it fun, little rewards here and there. But again, like, you know, I got like 30 fucking emails yesterday from people like, hey man, you know, I'm about to lose my house. And I'm like, well, fuck, like, I can't, like, what do you want me to do? I can't just, like, send money to every single person who asks for money. You know? So. When others throw shade, Patrick brings light. The Zorro of traders, sharp and bright. Haters may hate, but still wins the day. Changing lives, trade by trade, all the way. Wow. Did you write that, Steve? Did you just write that? Fucking, I'm gonna put that on get that printed out, my new poem. All right, NASDAQ again pushed up there to the 21 EMA, pulled right back. We got FOMC tomorrow. It's getting wild. Oh. Well, obviously putting in that lower high right there is not good for the bulls. Not good for the bulls, if you know what I mean. Who put this on Twitter? Who put this on Twitter? That does not look like me. That guy is way fatter than me. Just because he's wearing the same sunglasses does not. I do not look like that. I do not look like that. Who put that on Twitter? Who did that? Who did that? Damn it. Someone said, are you a day trader? Yes, I am a day trader. I've already made money today. I don't know about you, but I like to make money and then walk away. Personally, that's just something that I like to personally do. You know, that's kind of like my goal as a trader, is to kind of make money and then just walk away. So on the day right now, that's like 13,000 and then 300. So we took a trade earlier, little scalp, locked it in. So what do you think about Oliver Velez? I think the same thing about everybody that's on Twitter or on YouTube and everything. Like, let's be honest. Like I've already said, if you're good at day trading, you don't start a YouTube channel. You don't. You know, like you just don't. And I know that like sounds stupid because I have a day trading channel, but like I started a YouTube channel before I had any idea how to trade. Right? Like I literally just like started a YouTube channel to start like making videos, like kind of, I don't know, make entertainment because I didn't know how to trade. Right? But like if you're an amazing day trader, like why would you waste any effort or any time to try to become a YouTuber? You know, that's like, without showing your entries after this show it is over, doesn't teach much. Hey, BP, if you like, you can go fuck yourself. I really don't give a fuck. You're here all the time complaining. I'm going to go ahead and just put you in the fucking VIP forever. Patrick, you don't teach us anything. All you do is show us after you make money. What? Did I literally not show that trade earlier where I fucking bought and sold? Did I not? I'm so fucking confused. I'm so confused. I also talked about the idea of not getting fucking short down here at the lows at open. But hey, whatever. I don't teach anything. I'm fucking clearly a moron. I'm such a fucking moron. Oh, God. Coming from TBM, well, we might be a little bit different in energy vibes, that's for sure. You're going to get a lot more action over here on this channel, man. You never know what you're going to get. Yesterday, we were talking about fucking just all kinds of crazy shit. That's why I try to keep it. Just keep people on their toes. All right. See, it's like, these, I just, like, are we going to dump here? Get through this 250 area, back down there to the 22,200s? See, I just, it's like not very, like, they're just not sexy looking little moves. Like, just fucking chop city here. I don't like it. And again, like I said earlier, people like get mad at me because I don't take a trade, but it's like, guys, why? Like, I am not here to fucking just take trades to lose money and be like, you know, like, if I don't have a good setup, why the fuck would I take a trade? Y'all gonna pay my bills? Y'all gonna come over here and fucking refund me when I get the loss? You know, if I blow up these accounts, are you guys gonna come to my house and give me money? Are you? No, you won't. You won't do it. But also, it's like, it sets a bad example. It sets a really bad example too, because it's like, if I personally if I wouldn't trade it, like, and if I just take a trade because people want me to take a trade, it's like, does that really do much for people? Because people are like, well, Pedrick, just go short. Just get short now. Go, get short. You know? I like to keep it easy. I like to keep it green. You know? I'm up $500,000. And the reason that I'm up $500,000 in these accounts is because I didn't fuck around and take 100 million fucking trades a day. Some of my best days was literally just one trade. I took one trade and I was done. And I did that for 50 fucking days straight. I will guarantee you that there is very, very few traders on YouTube that can hold a fucking funded account for more than 50 days. And I'm not even going to say that's like the most anyone's ever held it, but like, I'm just saying, it's like, if you want to fucking get to a point where you're making money, like real money, serious money, then you've got to just be insanely patient. And you got to know when to go in and when not to get in. You know, like that is literally the trade. People said you got caught trading demo. Yes, it's all fake. I trade demo every day. Thank you. It don't hurt me. People say a lot of things, but what people don't actually what they don't actually say is like, they don't show payouts. They don't show their bank account. They don't show the actual proof that they've been trading the accounts consistently. You know, that's what they don't show you. They won't show you that, but they'll fucking show you, they'll tell you that Patrick Wieland trades multiple accounts and Patrick does this. And like we said yesterday, it's mathematically impossible for me to trade two accounts for 52 days consistently. You know, it just don't work. That would mean that, like, it just don't work. How the fuck does that work? So again, it's like, let the people talk. Let them say what they want because they have nothing else to say. I mean, Rips, his whole excuse to everything that happened to him was that he's as famous as Trump. And people believe it. Like, wait, what? You're as famous as Trump? That's your excuse to everything that happened? Is that you're like Trump? You know, like the other YouTubers that talk shit about me, they have nothing to say other than just stupid shit like, oh, Patrick's going bald. Patrick's fat. Patrick's short. Patrick's a leprechaun. Patrick, you know, like, it's just like, what are they going to say? What are they going to say? It's just comedy. You know?
Rips, are you a millionaire yet? No, I'm still working to get there. It's maybe one day. We'll try. Still on our journey there.
You know, sometimes he's a millionaire, sometimes not a millionaire.
They're not people like PW, because PW is a pissant. People like me, people who are important, they get targeted by lawfare. Look at Trump. Trump was a victim of lawfare. Big names like Trump and other successful figures, they have to deal with this kind of stuff too. Now. Are you still a millionaire? I mean, nah, no, I'm not. Trying to get back to that status. Like, he doesn't realize I literally could just be like, I could tell my attorney and be like, hey, here's $5 million, just go bother him.
You know, like, I could just tell my attorney. I could just tell my attorney to go bother Patrick with $5 million, and like, I could just bury him. Shut the fuck up. Does anybody believe this shit? Is there anybody in the world that's like, oh, okay, yeah, Rips, you should spend $5 million to bury Patrick. Yes, that's gonna work really well. That's gonna really work. It's really gonna work out. And the best is that he says that I'm a pissant. Right? He says that I'm a pissant, but for some reason, the internet does not feel the same way. For some reason, I just, you know, it's weird. If Patrick Wieland's a pissant, then I'm the biggest pissant in the world. I'm a big old pissant because when I look, wait, so Rips has 26,000 subscribers. Okay. Patrick Wieland has 266,000. What? I'm confused. How does it work? What is the definition of a pissant? I need to Google this. Google, what is pissant? What is a pissant? Insignificant. So a pissant, Google says that a pissant is a insignificant or contemptible. What is that? Contemptible? The fuck is contemptible? Despicable. So he says that he describes me as insignificant, too small or too unimportant to be worth consideration. So if I'm too small and he has 26,000 subscribers and I have 266,000 subscribers, who's too small? Is he talking about his dick size? Like, are we comparing dick sizes now? Because you already know I'm 6'1", and Rips is legally 6 foot. I've seen it on his arrest report. It does say that 6 foot. You know, this I'm not accusing him of anything, but allegedly, you know, on the police report it says 6 foot. So my police report says 6'1". All right, my police report says 6'1". Okay. John said, I can't get it. Makes sense in my head. These people that make money and being so dumb at the same time. Almost everyone in the trading space is so stupid. Are you saying I'm stupid? Damn it. It's okay. Hey, like I said, I'm totally fine. I'm totally fine at the end of the day, just being stupid and poor, because it's great. You know, when I look at my Lamborghini, I just think, I'm like, damn. Just think, people. If you just think about it, like, what if NASDAQ's going down, by the way, but what if, you know, like, what if I was smart and not stupid. If I wasn't stupid, I'd probably have 2 Lamborghinis. But I only have 1 Lamborghini. So that's like damn, it's kind of like a realization to myself, you know, like Patrick Wieland, you know, you could have been so much more if you weren't so stupid. If you were smart, Patrick, you'd have 2 Lamborghinis, right? You'd have 2, but you only have 1. So clearly you're stupid. You're a stupid man, Patrick. You're so stupid. Look at that stupid fucking Lamborghini. God fucking damn it, you fucking loser. Oh, NASDAQ. This price action is poo-poo. Poo-poo on a platter, by the way. It's poo-poo-y on the platter-y. It's poop-a-da. Poo-poo on the platter. If only I was smarter, I could have 2 Lamborghinis. 2 Lamborghinis. If only I was a smarter boy. Uh-oh, hold on a second. Hold on. What is that? Is that a semi-truck with a Lamborghini on it? Holy fuck. What? That's right, my friends. New Lamborghini heading to Patrick Wieland. That's right. New Lambo. I'm going to have 2 Lamborghinis. Aventador. Is it an SV or an SVJ? Honestly, it's the base model Aventador. I know it sounds silly, but I'm going to twin turbo it. I'm going to put twin turbos on it. And there's no point in like buying an SV or an SVJ and like fucking with it, you know? Like that's a lot of money to fuck with. I bought this car for $300,000. And I'm like, this is like the perfect car to fuck with. So I got two Lamborghinis, and now I'm so smart. So smart. Why keep getting Lambos? I don't know, because I'm not smart, clearly. I just want to buy the Lambo so then I can tell people I have 2 Lambos. I might actually buy 3 Lambos, to be honest. I'm thinking I'm going to buy a race car. This is my favorite. So when ICT was talking, he was talking about me sending an escrow contract over for $500,000 for the bet. I sent him a photo of a little peepee, a little Indian peepee, like a little micro penis. I went on the internet and I searched micro penis. It was like this tiny. And I sent him a photo of that. And he said, "You lied. And you said instead you emailed me a contract, but you sent a pornographic picture of a black man's scrotum." The funny part is, what is so funny about it is the fact that like he opened that email, right? He opened that email and he saw that little fucking peepee. Like it was like little tiny peepee, like this big. He saw that. Like it's fucking he said a black man's scrotum. And I mean, no offense to Indian people, but I mean, there's no way that was a black man's pee-pee. It was maybe the smallest thing in the entire world. You know, I've heard rumors. I don't know. The unrefined new money flash. Yes. Hey everybody, I'm new money. That's my name. Everybody in the chat, are you guys old money? Hey, is everybody in the chat, are you guys old, buddy? Are you old money? I'm new money. That's my name. Patrick Wieland, how you doing? I didn't come from money. I didn't, like my daddy didn't pay for my college. Oh, I didn't go to college, by the way. But, my daddy didn't give me anything. So, yes, everything that I have, it's mine. I built it. It's new money. So, it's so funny when people are like, yeah, I can tell that you're new money. I'm like, did I ever lie about being new money? Did I ever lie about that? Did I ever say that I wasn't new money? Yeah, it's confusing, huh? Hey, everybody. I used to have no money, and now I'm new money. Nice to meet you. I'm like, hey, it's pretty cool. Hey, everybody, it's me, Patrick. Just want to let you know that, 10 years ago, I had no money. I didn't. There was points in my life where I pretty much had nothing. I had $0 in my bank account. I had a trick. What I would do is I would go and I would pull out, like, let's say I had 200. If I had $200 cash in my checking account, I would go to the ATM and I would overdraft, right? I would pull like $300, $400 out of the account. And then I would overdraft $200. I know this sounds fucked up and maybe I shouldn't even be admitting this, but I did pay the overdraft fees. But at the time, that was the only way to get by because I knew that I was going to end up overdrafting either way. So it was like, fuck it, I'm going to try to get some cash out so I can survive until the end of the month. I mean, I'll be honest, like I was there. There was a point where I was filming and editing and it was all on me. The shitty part is most of the time when I didn't have money, it was because I was owed money. I did a job for Red Bull one time and Red Bull has 120 day payout. Like, so if you submit an invoice to Red Bull, they don't have to pay you out for 120 days. So imagine being 23, 24 years old with a baby, you got to pay the bills. And like the only way of paying the bills is like somehow getting paid by Red Bull and you got 180 days. So there were plenty of times where I had to just grind it out. I would when I was like in my early 20s, I'd go to the grocery store, I'd spend $10. I'd buy a big thing of spaghetti sauce and just eat that for a week. If I went to work or whatever, I was doing valet. I luckily had food there. And yeah, I had to build. I hadn't, no one gave me anything. When I was like 19 years old, I asked my dad if I can move back home and he said no. Because I was broke and I was like, Dad, can I move back? He's like, no. I'm like, okay, fuck. All right, I'll figure it out. But that's me. That's where I've come from. I'm not shy about it. I'll never, say that like I'm some kind of Ivy League fucking prodigy. I didn't go to college. I never even applied to go to college. I grinded on my own, man. I built it all. I got to where I'm at, and now I've got a fucking $500,000 Lamborghini that's paid off. Cash. I got a boat. I got another Lambo on the way. I'm the American dream. I built a business with a skill, right? I got a skill. The skill of gab, the skill of entertainment. And that's where we're at. And hey, by no means am I going to sit here and tell you like, oh, I had a, terrible childhood. Like I grew up in a great family. My dad always supported me, always told me, work hard, fucking get what you dream of. My dad told me, from a young age, like, hey, don't fucking work for anyone else. Because if you work for someone else, all you're doing is fucking making their dreams come true. So do you want to work, 80 hours a week making your dreams come true? Or do you want to work for somebody else 40 hours a week to make their dreams come true? And I held that very close to my heart for a long time. And I did everything I could. I would work as valet and then I would film at night. I would hustle, man. I would do anything I could to make money when I was young. And that's how it is, baby. So, and my dad, and again, I got nothing bad to say about my dad, but my dad, he's a redneck. He got no money. He gonna work till the day he dies. He's got no retirement, no fucking plan. It's just like he's gonna work until the day he dies, and that's his reality, and that's on him. He doesn't want hands out. He would never ask me for money. He would never ask anyone for money. I would never offer him because it's like disrespectful. He's built his life. He's built his business, and he gets to live it. Teach him to trade. No. He asked me about learning to trade, and I said, there's no point. Just fucking he has his own construction business. He's fine. He'll be all right. If you can build stuff, you'll always be fine. He's smart. He'll be fine. I'm not worried about him. How's Granny? Nana's doing good. Nana is doing good. Patrick, why twin turbo on another Lambo when you can make this one catless titanium exhaust and make it scream? Well, the twin turbo will scream as well, by the way. It'll be totally fucking, we're going to rip out everything. It'll be a whole brand new exhaust. So it'll still be loud as shit. The turbos are not going to like make it quiet. Nana is still in Orlando. Yeah, she's in Orlando living the dream right now, I guess. The 21 EMA is the chart, is the line on the chart, that blue line, the yellow line up there, the VWAP. Did you buy Nana something fabulous with all the success? She doesn't want my money. She doesn't want anything. She's got everything she needs and wants in life. I mean, what am I going to buy her, you know? Honestly, I think the greatest honor that I could do for her is just to be a good person and to try to give back to the world and just be a success, you know? Like, she raised me, basically. So for her, it's like basically seeing me be successful is like her ultimate dream, you know? Do I take care of? I'll always take care of. I'll always take care of her if she ever needs help. So, you know, but we're proud people. The Wielands are proud people. We would never ask for handouts. My Nana raised my dad, my uncle. She moved from from Illinois, moved to Florida. Worked a full-time job, raised 2 boys, put food on the table, did all the laundry, did all the cooking. And she's a badass. And that's what, you know, that's what pisses me off the most about the whole like new woke ideology. The idea of like trying to devalue the importance of having a strong woman, you know, like a part of a family, having a family nucleus. Like being a stay-at-home mom, like honestly, it's a lot of fucking work. Especially if you got a couple kids, you got a lot of shit. I mean, it's a full-time fucking job. I give props. I could never do it. So, anybody that talks shit about women who are mothers, like the whole argument, like, well, they give up their dreams to become a mother, but it's like that is literally the ultimate. That is like the ultimate sacrifice to be a good mother and to raise good boys, good good kids. Same thing with dads, obviously, but like as far back as time, you can look all the way back 1,000 years. You know, every good man, there was a good woman at some point that helped him get to where he's at. And I'm a firm believer of that. So the haters are going to hate, you know. Hey, people in the chat are like, yeah, but my wife was on vacation. I get it. You know, there are situations where women obviously take advantage of men. I get it. You know, it goes both ways. But, you know, it is a lot of work to raise 2 good boys. Honestly, like with my son, that's the biggest thing now is like, I just want him to be respectful. I want him to be just a good honorable person. You know, don't ever bend the knee for anything. If someone tells you that you gotta have a certain belief because they have a belief, I say, well, that's great that you believe that, but it doesn't mean that I have to. You know, and that's the problem nowadays. We live in a world where everybody just gets upset because if you don't believe what they believe, then you're a bad person. I'm like, well, I also believe in reality, right? Like I believe in reality. Was Kamala Harris the best, person to be president? No. Is Trump the best person in the entire world to be president? No. But if I had to pick Trump over Kamala, I would every day, all day. And you would be an absolute fucking moron to tell me that Kamala Harris was a good candidate for president. Like I said before, the Democrats really fucked themselves by putting up a total, complete moron as a candidate for president. I mean, what did they think? Did they think that Americans are that fucking stupid? I mean, Majority of Americans are that fucking stupid because they obviously voted for Kamala. But like at the end of the day, like how fucking stupid do you have to be? Like if you put Kamala Harris on this live stream with me, she wouldn't know what to fucking say. She'd be, Patrick, when you think about it, you got to open the book and then close the book. And then there's a page, you put a bookmark. And what's really nice is I like to use Venn diagrams. Whenever I'm thinking about stuff, right? I'm like, okay, nuclear war. Okay, let me draw a circle. Okay, nuclear war. Draw another circle. Cyber war. Draw another circle. China war. If you put those together and in the middle, you'll see that's where peace is. Because war, war, and war, the middle equals peace. The NASDAQ tried to push up here. Don't do Kamala like that. She's very smart and educated. Yeah. Yeah. My 12-year-old son would literally be able to debate Kamala better than she could debate. Does your son watch these videos? He does watch some of these videos. Hopefully not all of them. I don't think he sits here and watches videos all day on the live stream. Look at the NASDAQ. Again, just chopping right back up there. Which of the former presidents of the USA do you respect? I'd say probably Ronald Reagan. Although, I mean, do I really, like, who do you, like, I don't know, man. Like, who do you really respect at the end of the day, you know? Definitely not fucking Barack. Barack and his Michelle is actually Michael. That's the best conspiracy in the whole world right now, is that nobody can find a photo of Michelle Obama pregnant. Michael Obama. Patrick, why are you tweaking? Oh, yeah, tweak it. Tweak it out right now. It might be all the pre-workout I took out this morning. Shit's powerful, man. All right. Do I want more kids? Maybe. Fuck. No, we talked about it. Me and Victoria, obviously. She obviously wants kids. I've already had fucking done the diapers and all that. But yeah, Victoria, she'd be a really good mom, so I'd be okay with it. I told her, I'm like, you can have a baby. You can take care of it. No, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. All right. We got to do the Twitter giveaway here. Twitter giveaway. Send some money out here. Let's see. All right. I got Lambra. We got Zachariah Bugataya. Luck Trader. Avid Outdoorsman. Okay. Ryan Malley. Here's our winners. If you're on Twitter, congratulations to Lambra. That's Lambra 2K. We got Zach. I'll send you a DM to get your PayPal. And Luck Trader. And we got Ryan Malley. Send you $100. But like I said, don't worry. Wednesday, Thursday, we got big giveaways coming. I gotta give away this laptop at some point. Brand new laptop, baby. Stepping it out to somebody. Start trading, make some money. Okay, bye, Patrick. I will go to work. All right, have fun at work, Estonia. Goodbye, Patrick. I will go to work now. Okay, I see you later. It's a gaming laptop. Yeah, HP gaming laptop. PW, what are the VWAP settings? Well, I don't change any settings for my VWAP. Very simple, very easy. VWAP. 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 All right, it's almost 11 o'clock here. We got lots of stuff to do today. I got a lot of work to do, to be honest, because I got to get the new warehouse going, man. I got to get it going. So I think we've all agreed, right? Everybody, we've all agreed that we want to do a simulator in the warehouse chat. Everybody agrees, simulator. Racing sim. Yes. No. All right. We're doing a poll. If the chat wants it, we're going to get it. Well, the chat wins. NASDAQ trying to push back up here. That pivot point coming up at the 22,300s. All right. We are buying a simulator. Do you play any games? I've been playing the new Call of Duty. The new Call of Duty Nuketown is pretty fucking fun. Anybody play the new Call of Duty? Another 30,000 down the drain. I might spend $50,000 on the simulator, honestly. You know, like I might spend fucking 50,000. Who said 30,000? What are you talking about? What's this guy talking about? 30,000. Motherfucker, I'm talking about fucking 50,000. You know, look at this thing. This is what I'm talking about right here, boys. Look at this thing. 50,000. It's got the little thing in it. It fucking shakes you around. You know? Look at this thing. Oh my God, that looks sick. It's only $51,000. Should I buy it? Yeah, buddy. It's on sale right now. Look at it. It's $5,600 cheaper. I think I got to do it. You know? I think I got to do it. I got to buy this thing. That thing is fucking sick. It's honestly pretty sick, though. $50,000 for a racing simulator. They have another one that's even crazy. They have this one right here. It's like fucking Formula One. Got your own little Formula One car. Wing, 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 wing. Wing, 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 wing. No, what about this one's only 30,000? Maybe I just get this one. Do I really need the $50,000 one? I don't know. My live stream will just be me. It'll just be me driving the car now. No more even. Won't even be. Just be me driving. Whoopsies. All right. Why not stream you playing games? I'm a little too old to be game playing. I already spent enough time on the internet talking that, like, if I spend more time on the internet talking, who knows what I'm going to say. At a certain point, you got to cut yourself off, you know. 2 hours a day is the max, because after that, shit gets wild. I'll start getting delirious, and I start just talking about the most random shit, and people are like, what is he even talking about right now? And I'd be like, I don't even know what I'm talking about, man. I'm gonna talk about it real good. Oh, shit. Do a custom paint option? That's kind of cool. Have it match the Lamborghini color. That might be chic. That could be chic. Might do that. Custom paint option. This is what rich people do when they get rich. They just like do the most insane, stupid shit. Like building a colorful, matched racing simulator. This is what happens when you get rich. You just start spending money on the most stupid shit that you don't even need, but you do it anyway because it looks cool. PW, can you search on TradingView the EMA? What do you mean? Are you serious? XEMA. Patrick, can you go on TradingView and type in EMA? Lifehack AI, I'll dust you. Hey, Lifehack, congratulations. At no point have I ever claimed to be some kind of fucking phenom sim racer. People in the chat be like, yeah, but Patrick, I'm so much better than you at driving the simulator. I'm like, oh, okay. You got me. I'm like, oh, damn it. I can't. Oh, shit. No, fuck. He figured it out. No, he fucking. Guy got me, man. He got me. God damn it. You got me. The guy's going to beat me in the racing simulator, but guess what? I'm going to beat him in real life, and that's all that matters. That's all that matters when you think about it. Real life. Real life. Green screen. Wait. Patrick, open TradingView and click on indicators. Oh, okay. Hi. Indicators. I clicked on it. Now what? Patrick, have you tried trading? Have you tried trading on the 30-minute chart? Yeah, I've done every time frame, baby. I mean, it's all the same shit. At the end of the day, I mean, 30-minute chart, 5-minute chart, it's literally the same shit. It's just the price is moving. You know, I mean, it's not like, oh my God, it's still the same. Oh my God, 10-minute, nope, still the same. 45-minute chart, nope, price is still the same. Hold on a second, hold on. Let me look at the 2-minute chart. Fuck, price is still the same. Again, every time frame, the price is the fucking same exact price. It don't matter what time frame you're on. Look, look at the 1-day chart. Nope, still the same price. Every time frame, the price does not change. Patrick, how much is your win rate? Honestly, probably like 65, 75%. Maybe a little bit more. I mean, I'll never sit here and tell you that I don't have red days. Because, well, yeah, I know I've got red days. I'm trying to figure out, like, if these, like, if a pre-built sim racing setup is better to do than just build it yourself. But I feel like having someone like come and set it up would be a lot better than me trying to do it. You know? I just feel like it would be better. Rip's win rate is 100%. Well, duh. He can't lose. He's the best. The best that ever was. The best that ever is. Best that ever was. He's a millionaire. He's got $5 million. He's going to fucking bury me, motherfuckers. I'm scared. I am so scared. So today my win rate is 100%. 4-second trade. $300 in 4 seconds. What can I say? You know, it's hard being Patrick Wieland. And this is why people are like, Patrick, why don't you tell us when to buy and sell? I'm like, well, by the time that I buy and the time that I sell, you will just be finding out that I had bought. So, you know, how long does it take you to pass the combine? 1 day, 1 trade. Pat, can you please how to search and select on TradingView the EMA? Is this guy trolling me? I'm getting trolled right now, right? Indicators. Type in EMA. Moving average exponential. There you go. It says it right there. EMA. Moving average exponential. Moving average exponential. pivot point standard. For my pivot points, I use pivot point standard. Patrick, just buy another Lambo and strip it to make a racing setup. Nah, I'm going to buy a racing Lamborghini. Why was Rips arrested? Because he was Trump. That's why Rips was arrested, because he was as famous as Trump. His own words. Not my words, but his words. So, he said it, not me. I have no idea why he was arrested, other than the fact that he was as famous as Trump. So that's the moral of the story, basically. If you ever get arrested, just say that the reason that you got arrested was because you're...
I'm still working to get there. You know who people like that are targeted like this? They're not people like PW, because PW is a pissant. People like me, people who are important, they get targeted by lawfare. Look at Trump. Trump was a victim of lawfare. Big names like Trump and other successful figures, they have to deal with this kind of stuff too. Now. Are you still a millionaire? I mean, no, I'm not trying to get back to that status. Like, he doesn't realize I literally could just be like, I could tell my attorney and be like, hey, here's $5 million, just go bother him. And he literally would just be buried for years. Rips, are you a millionaire yet? No, I'm still working to get there.
Man, I'm just trying to figure out, is he a millionaire or is he not a millionaire? Is he as famous as Trump or is he not as famous as Trump? I can't figure it out. You know, the more I think about it, the less I understand it. You know, when you really think it's like, so you're as famous as Trump. So if you go on LinkedIn and you look at his website, you look at his LinkedIn, right? This is a man that claims to be as famous as Trump, and he only has 95 connections. Only 95 connections. That just seems very low, you know, for someone who's as famous as Trump. I feel like if Trump had a LinkedIn, he'd have 1 million connections. You know, right? Like he'd have a lot of connections. You know, if Trump had a LinkedIn, he'd have 1 million connections. But like, I don't know. I wonder how many connections Patrick Wieland has, you know, since he's a pissant. Let's see. Let me look. Let me look at this. Oh, fuck. Now they want me to... Fuck. I don't want to join. I hate LinkedIn. LinkedIn's so stupid. LinkedIn. I don't want to sign in. I just want to look at my own profile. Come on, LinkedIn. Just let me look at my own profile, please. Let me see if I can type it in. LinkedIn.com. LinkedIn is literally the fucking biggest joke ever, either, by the way. Oh. I think I got it. Patrick Wieland. Oh, fucking fuck. I can't even load it. I can't even log into LinkedIn. Fuck. It's there. Oh, we got it. All right. So, remember, Rips says that he's as famous as Trump, and he has 90 connections. This is my old LinkedIn that I don't even like fucking use. The last time I even used this shit was back in 2016, by the way. 2015 there, right? So, like, this is my LinkedIn. I started filming and editing back in 2008. But just by the way, you can see 500 plus connections. So basically, once you have over 500, it just says 500 plus. So I might have 1 million connections. I got 809 followers. But Rips, on the other hand, only has 90 connections. So how is it possible that Rips is as famous as Trump? You know what I wonder is when the government decided to use lawfare, when they decided to use lawfare, did they not check his LinkedIn? You know? Did the government not check his LinkedIn? Because clearly they didn't. Because if they would have checked his LinkedIn, they would have known that he was a pissant, and they wouldn't have arrested him. So that's probably why, you know, that's probably why the charges were dismissed, because they looked at his LinkedIn and they're like, fuck, this guy's a loser. Fuck. I gotta figure this out. Again, I have no actual idea why he got arrested, but he did get arrested. It is on the internet. I mean, everything on the internet hacks, you know, it's gotta like mean something, right? Like they don't just like make up stories about getting arrested for nothing. But I don't know. He has a new name. I mean, but the funny part is that LinkedIn page that he had was after well, I guess no, he did change his name, but he doesn't have a new LinkedIn. The most amazing digital marketing professional and founder of APR Media, digital marketing firm. He works diligently to refine his skills so he can work better to achieve client goals. Wow. Fucking A. Can you tell me you're a loser without telling me you're a loser? All right. Someone in the chat said that when you're innocent, you clear your name and you don't change it. Yeah, I don't know how that works, because, if like I said, if I got arrested by the DA in Miami, let's say Miami, the DA, like, arrested Patrick Wieland, right? This is all hypothetical, by the way. This has nothing to do with rips, but let's just say that I got arrested for fraud, right? And I got put in jail, and then I got out of jail, and I beat the case, right? Let's say I beat the case, right? I proved my innocence. You know what I would do? I would put a billboard on 95, and it would say, Patrick Wieland fucks. You know what that means? It means, hey, Patrick Wieland fucks. So if you want to fuck with Patrick Wieland, you're going to get fucked. Because Patrick Wieland fucks. So I would put that out there. I'd let the whole entire world know. I'd be like, hey, everybody, the DA in Miami arrested me for fraud, but then I beat it, and I'm innocent, and here's a billboard proving that I am the motherfucking king of Miami. Right? That's what I would do. It would just say Patrick fucks and nothing else. It'd just be my picture. And I'd let everybody know. I'd put it on the news and the fucking newspapers. I'd tell everybody. I'd make it the whole entire world. I'd make sure that everybody in the whole entire fucking world knew that I got arrested and then I beat the charges. I would not change my name. No, I would not, because again, I'm innocent, right? Why would I change my name? It'd be no point in changing my name. So I wouldn't change my name. My name is everything. Patrick Wieland is everything. My last name is my everything. You know what I mean? Like, if I can't even use my own real last name, then who am I? Who am I? If I change my last name, then who am I? I don't exist anymore. I'm just a Fugazi. Like I've said before, I will lose everything. I will burn down everything. I will fucking go back to ground zero, to the bottom. I'll go back to the fucking the bottom of everything to protect my name, because it means that much to me. I would never change it, because deep down I'm a good person. My name is everything. So why would I change my name? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. And I'm not gonna sit here and tell people that I'm a millionaire one day, and then the next day I'm not a millionaire, and then I would tell people I got $5 million to sue somebody. Come on. Rips already sent me a cease and desist before all this even happened, because I bought marketclubhouse.com and he never bought it. So that's why he's upset. He's upset that he's too poor to buy a domain that he says that he owns, but he never bought it. But hey, I don't know how it works exactly. I'm sure his attorneys are probably listening to this right now. So I'm excited. I'm still waiting for that lawsuit so I can wipe my ass with it. Because again, the best part is Rip's whole thing in California, it's sealed, right? The only way to unseal it would be to get a judge court ordered. A court order by the judge. So if Rips really comes after me for defamation, he's going to have to, with good faith, prove that I don't have any idea what I'm talking about. So that would give us grounds for a judge to unseal Rips's case, and then we could find out the truth. Again, I don't know exactly what happened. This is all just hypotheticals, allegedly. But honestly, that would be the way to find out the truth, to go to court. That's why I said, if Rips wants to go to court, I have nothing to hide. So I'm totally fine going to court. Like, worst come, I'm totally fine with it. Let's go to court. So I would love it. Why do you care so much about what other people do? The reason that I care about what other people do is because Rips talks about me and he spreads lies, right? Rips is constantly spreading lies. I've caught him so many times. The first lie, he says that the only way that I make money is because I trade multiple accounts. And then I basically lose in one account and make money in the other account, which again, it's mathematically impossible, by the way. Like that, it's just impossible. It's actually, like, when you think about it, it is actually impossible. And I'm, you know, I'll like, if I have 52 trading days in these accounts and I'm blowing up accounts every day, but then making money in some accounts, that would mean that these accounts right here, I've never lost in, which would be obviously mathematically impossible. I know Rips never loses, but again, like, this would be mathematically impossible. So Rips tells people that I do this, which is a lie, blatantly a lie. He also said that I got fired from Top Step, which is a lie, because again, I did not get fired. We parted ways. Even the CEO of the company posted that and said that. So it's not a, you know, again, if we want to talk about defamation, it's pretty clear to see who's being defamatory. And it's not me. I'm just pointing out what things I have read on the internet, and I've come up with my own personal belief, my own personal opinion of what I think is going on. Just because you got charges dismissed does not mean that you're innocent, by the way. It doesn't. 100%, that does not mean that you're innocent. What that means is that the state or the prosecutor maybe just didn't have the right stuff to guarantee a conviction, which a lot of times happens because the state doesn't want to go after people if they can't be very, very sure of a conviction. So for him to sit here and tell everyone, I got my charges dismissed, I'm innocent. Well, actually, that doesn't prove that you're innocent. It just proves that the state didn't have enough to convict. So again, say what you want. This is all just my personal opinion. I'm not saying that Rips is a fraud or anything like that. But, you know, take it however you want. I'm sure someone's going to try to misconstrue this as me, you know, stating a fact, but at no point have I stated any facts other than the fact that it's very simple. If your charges get dismissed, that does not qualify you as being innocent. It just qualifies you as the state didn't have enough evidence to take you down. The state does not just arrest you without probable cause. They can't, right? They need probable cause to arrest you. So again, I'm already just excited to hear fucking response from somebody out there, but you know, so just leave it. Oh, I'm leaving it. All right, the NASDAQ. Oh, buddy, what was that? 11 o'clock pump hour. Someone's tweeting something's happening. That is a weird candle. If it's not Rips, then it's ICT. It's everybody. I'm a Comanche, baby. I'm taking down everybody. ICT just got stopped out. Fuck. Dude, all the ICT traders just fucking shorted into this fair value gap right here. You know it. Literally, all the ICT traders just blew up. The fair value, if you look right here, is a fair value gap, right? Fair value gap, right? That little gap, that's a fair value gap right there, right? So ICT traders, they short here, got blowed up. Oopsie daisies. It's not even that I want to be right, but I also just know that when the market is doing this type of shit, like, I ain't got what you have it. Think about it. You don't have an edge. If there's no direction, how do you trade it? Right? What do? You short here and then you get stopped out. You know, like, you get long here, then you get stopped out. It's just, when the market is in a fucking range, there's just nothing to do but to sit back and just let it do its thing. I mean, look at the 15-minute chart. This ain't good. That ain't good price action, boys. Patrick, where do I think it's going? It's going sideways. I think right now it's going this direction. Maybe it wants to go that direction, though. So, we'll see. Either way, we will see. Patrick, how long did it take after blowing accounts to actually get your first payout? I got my first payout pretty quickly, actually. And then I got into the trend of blowing accounts. As funny as that sounds. Because you kind of get greedy, but you also end up getting kind of a little bit cocky. There must be some type of news right now. Something's happening. Someone leaked, like, what is happening right now? Like these candles just out of nowhere, just straight up. For 50 points. Is something happening? Is there a new? There's got to be something going on. Is that just normal price action? Thanks for, are there any women traders that are good right now? I don't really, like, sit around trying to figure out which woman trader is good. To be honest, I don't have any that come to mind. I think the thing that I hate the most about the women YouTube day traders is that they play the victim card so much. You know, like, oh, it's just so hard being a girl on YouTube, and like the haters. It's like, what about all of the simps that literally would kiss your feet? So, you know, like, oh, like everybody has to deal with haters. Just because you're a girl on YouTube does not make you like, oh, I feel so sorry for that female trader because everybody hates on her. You know, like, yeah, well, no shit. Like, every day, welcome to the fucking internet, you know? Welcome to the internet, baby. It's not because you're a girl. It's just because that's the fucking internet. But girls have it way easier when it comes to getting the simps. I mean, it's fucking amazing to see how many fucking simps are out there. So I really don't feel sorry for the girls that cry about the fact that they get haters. Because I'm like, well, have you ever seen my videos? What's up with this gender BS? A good trader is a good trader. I agree. I 100% agree. Like, I think if women traders want to get respect and they want to build a name for themselves, then don't play the women card. Just play the trader card. You know, don't cry when people make fun of you because you're a girl. Just be like, all right, fuck you. People say that I'm fat. And I'm like, all right, fuck you then. I go to the gym every morning to make sure that somebody can't say I'm fat anymore. You know, people be like, oh, Patrick, you're going bald. I'm like, all right, well, your mom still likes me. You know, I don't know what to tell you. Would you hire a woman trader for your trading floor? Yeah. Why? I have nothing against women. If you're nice, you're nice. Whether you're a man or a woman, you don't need muscles for trading. Well, fuck that. I need muscles to carry all these bags of money. Bags of money. I need the bags of money. John, I'm not even going to answer that because it's fucking stupid. Don't even try to insinuate that I'm racist. What about a black person? Yeah, what about a black person, Patrick? You're so racist. You gotta love the internet. I don't really give a fuck what color your skin is. I don't care what race you are. I don't care what religion you practice. I don't give a fuck what do you do at night. You know, I don't care what you're fucking, if you're gay, if you're fucking lesbian or what. If you fucking can trade and make money, then let's go. I'll put you on a desk. I got nothing against anybody that's I just love when people try to come at me because they're like, Patrick, you're racist because I never see you hang out with black people. And I'm like, I don't know what to tell. I don't know. Like, I don't fucking, what do you want me to do about it? Like, I don't just post photos every time I hang out with a black person. That would be a little weird, would it? Like, hey, everybody, look, I'm hanging out with a black person right now. Oh my God. Look, he's here. He's on the boat. Are you guys amazed? Come on. I'm going to put the best traders on the desk. That's my goal. I want to have good traders who can talk, who can break down ideas, who have a personality. That's what I want. The whole point of the new warehouse is to have a place that you can have like 8 to 10 traders. We can do the live stream. We can talk as a group. I can yell out and be like, hey, are you short right now? What the fuck are you doing? You know, like it's like, it's going to be real. It's going to be live. It's going to be a real experience. Like you're going to have 10 traders trading and live streaming the whole thing. Like no one is doing something like that. We're not going to all sit around and fucking circle jerk each other. I'm going to be like giving out awards. Like, hey, whoever makes the most fucking money today gets $1,000. You know, like I'm going to be rewarding people that perform. And that's who's going to keep their spot in the warehouse. You know, it's not going to be because you're a woman or you're a man or vice versa. It's going to be because whoever the fuck puts up numbers. I would love to find some badass traders, put them on the live stream and let the world see. Be like, hey, this is what it's about. We're putting up numbers. I want to see like people actually trading and putting up fucking numbers, not just sitting in the chat talking shit all day. You know? Can I come down for a week and trade? Yeah, we'll have some little opportunities for people to come down and trade for like a week or whatever. Wolf of Wall Street, basically. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be it's going to be unscripted. It's going to be real. I mean, there might be fights. I might get in a fight with somebody. You know, who knows? Maybe someone pisses me off and I just fucking slap them. Hey! I would never do that. But, you know, it's gonna be real. Like, I honestly have no idea exactly what's going to happen. So, like Top Step TV? No. It'll actually be real traders, not coaches. No coaches, no bullshit. It's trading. Like, we're trading. Like, I want people trading. I don't want people just fucking telling me motivational quotes. You know, I don't need fucking 5 people sitting around going, oh, look, the NASDAQ's pulling back. Oh, wow. Oh, look, the NASDAQ's going up. Oh, look, the NASDAQ's going down. You know, like, I need people fucking being like, hey, I'm getting in long here. And I'm like, all right, I like that. You know, like, I want ideas. I want shit happening. But if you only have good traders, then how can we fade the losers? Trust me, even the good traders have losing trades. You know, even the good traders will have losing days. All right, NASDAQ pushing back up to the top of this range right now. This 15-minute opening range breakout, this resistance there at the 366 area is still holding us down. I'm walking away in the green. I'm not even going to play. No point even playing with it. I am like literally 3 days away from $100,000 payout. Like, this is literally the dream right now. This is 8 years. 8 years in the making, guys. Like, this did not happen overnight. This did not happen just because of some secret strategy. This is 8 years of grinding and working and putting in fucking time to get where I'm at. When I take this $500,000 payout, I'm going to sit there, I'm going to look at it, and I'm going to be like, damn. Like, that's what it is. Like, I put in 8 years of fucking grinding, of getting to this point, right? That's where I'm at because I did it. I put in the work. The worst thing is when people hit me up, they're like, Patrick, I really want to start trading. What should I do? What should I do? And I'm like, go fuck yourself. That's literally my response. I'm like, don't even try. If you're messaging me, asking me how to start, you're wasting my fucking time. Because if you don't even have an idea on where to start, just don't even start. You know, like, you should, before you hit me up and ask me what to do, like, you should already have a fucking plan before you even get to that point. There is enough fucking videos and enough stuff out there that you can figure it out, like where to start at. You know, so don't waste my time. Don't message me and be like, Patrick, I really want to learn to day trade. I'm like, well, go fuck yourself. You know, like, go fuck yourself. Everybody wants to learn. 8 years, and that's your only payout for 8 years. Yes, I have never had another payout. This is my only payout ever. 8 years of trading, 500,000. That's like that's 8 5. Fuck. It's like 80,000 a year, bro. This is what I love. Somebody in the chat is literally going to be like, Patrick, you've been trading for 8 years and you're just making $500,000? Oh my God. What a waste of time. Breezy Bar Trading. How much you want to bet? You want to bet me? How much? Breezy Bar says no way that Apex pays it. How much you want to bet? Come on. How much you want to bet? I'll bet you. 10,000, 5,000, 1,000, 100,000. I'll bet you $100,000 that Apex will pay this. How much you want to bet? Come on. Don't just say shit. Stand on it. Like I said, do you want to bet? Would you like to make a bet? Instead of just talking shit, would you like to make an actual bet? Who would like to bet me? But this is a real bet. Like, this ain't just bullshit. Like, we're putting, I want real money put up here. See, now they're quiet. Now nothing. Now there's nothing. They will pay. Why would they not pay? I've literally gotten the last 5 payouts, no problem. So you think they're going to just stop on this one? So they will pay. How much have you paid out year to total? I got over 100,000 with Top Step in the last 2 months. I got like over 150,000 with Apex. I took out 50,000 from My Funded Futures early in the year, and then been taking out take profit payouts. A little over probably like over $300,000 in payouts this year. How much do you make from YouTube? Not much, honestly. Very, very little. I need more love. More love. More love for my people. My people. People. There's my revenue right there. That's how much I made for the last 28 days. On average, I make like 500 on a good day, 400 on a good day. It's not as glamorous as people think. But luckily, I got other ways. All right, there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. I'll see you guys later on. Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart, but the NASDAQ just stuck inside the 15-minute range. So, there it is. How much would you say someone should start with a live account? Are you going to trade micros or minis? How long have you been trading for? If you're just starting out, I don't think there's any reason to start out with a live account. The best, if you're just starting out as a new trader, why not just trade, prop firm? Trade a prop firm and then get a payout. Take the payout money, put it into a live account. So that's the way I would do it. Zachariah, I'm going to DM you right now, bro. I got you. DM. PayPal. Let's go. PayPal. Zachariah, I just messaged you, bro. Let's go. I'm going to send you this money before I turn the live stream off because I want to do it live on YouTube. Zachariah, check your Twitter. Zachariah. Bro, you're just in the chat and now you're gone. I want to do it live. Amanda just got here. Any trades today? Nope. No trades. I love it. Like, where the fuck were you at, Amanda? Where were you at? What were you doing this whole time? Literally, what were you doing this whole fucking time? What, you just now came in at 11:20? Where have you been at? You been watching somebody else live? Have you been watching somebody else live on YouTube? Have you? Amanda, the fuck? Damn it, Amanda. Damn it, Amanda. All right, Zachariah. Oh. Bro, this payment cannot be done due to regulations. Where do you live at? You must live somewhere gnarly if the PayPal can't go through because of regulations. How about I'll give you the course. We'll do that. I'll give you the course. Hopefully that helps you. PayPal banned you from getting money from me. I didn't get regulated. Zachariah got regulated. He must be some country that doesn't allow PayPal. All right, I gotta go. I got lots of stuff to do today. Lots of fun stuff to do. All right. Someone's, what else we got? What else is going on here? Patrick is the best guy around. Damn, you know how to butter me up. Butter my biscuit. He lives in Algeria. That's why. Zachariah lives in Algeria. You can't send money to Algeria through PayPal. They don't allow it. The #1 day trader on YouTube is my mentor. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. There's my email. Fucking A. God. Sometimes it's dangerous. Luckily, there was nothing on there. Could have been scary. What if my email is just full of like really weird shit? Oh, God. Just it was nothing but OnlyFans receipts. My email is just nothing but OnlyFans receipts. Oh, no. Which software do you use to record live YouTube? I use OBS. Pretty much everybody uses this software, OBS. NASDAQ, man, look at that little bull flag. Bull flagging here. Little pullback there, 5-minute chart, little breakout, little push. There's your entry through the 340s, now up there to the 350s. Does it break through that double top there, or do we stay in this range? Tomorrow is FOMC. Anything is possible. Good time, good times. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We got more giveaways, more fun, more action. Don't go anywhere.